So much for joining us tonight. It's not often that a county civil case grabs the attention of the public, but that's exactly what happened in Smith County today, with dozens of people packing a courtroom for the first hearing in an alleged case of dogfighting. The crowd was so big, many people had to stand outside. As KLTV7's Lauren Tieran tells us, today's hearing focused in on the custody of these animals.
The hall outside Justice of the Peace Derek Choice's court was full more than half an hour before a custody hearing for the 60 animals seized last week off of County Road 4136. Animal advocates, rescuers, and veterinarians, along with the defendant's family and supporters, lined up for a seat inside, and the rest overflowed into the hallway. Dr. Gary Spence has 6 of the dogs in his care and says they are all recovering from serious injuries. His reaction to the crowd?
This is the biggest outpouring we've had since I've been in practice in Tyler.
Those who weren't in the courthouse annex were protesting with signs on the street corners.
Dog lovers are dog lovers. No, they have cross country.
It's archaic and it's barbaric and it's evil.
Bill Tandy owns 2 dogs he says have suffered from abuse from other owners in the past. He plans to continue to show up for these animals until they have safe, permanent homes.
Who's going to speak for the dogs? And it's up to us.
Heather McCarty says they are trying to make a statement by showing up in numbers.
We need everybody, the commissioners, we need judge, we need everybody to know that we're not okay with this, that there's people that are standing up for these dogs who cannot stand up for themselves.
Ultimately, Judge Choice granted the defense more time to develop arguments and moved the civil hearing to next Thursday. For now, the dogs remain under Smith County's temporary care and control. Brothers Carrie and Michael Jones, the owners of the dogs, remain in Smith County Jail. Lauren Tieran, KLTV 7 News.
Those men are due back in court a week from tomorrow. The hearing will determine whether or not the animals have been cruelly treated, which will determine